Hey friends, today I'm in the workshop where the spiders have basically claimed everything. I've got the Ortho spider spray, so I'm going to show you exactly how this works to basically eliminate the spiders, exterior or interior, and create a bug barrier that lasts up to 12 months. So this is a spray that I use for the workshop and for our home and for our garage, and so it's very useful for basically any buildings that you want to keep those home invading insects out of, like roaches and ants and spiders. And this one, it does have the easy to use battery wand. I'm going to show you exactly how simple it is. Ants, cockroaches, spiders, fleas, ticks, scorpions, beetles, earwigs, silverfish, centipedes, millipedes, and there is a complete list of insects on the inside of this label. And you can use this indoor, outdoor, kitchen, bathroom, around doors and windows, outdoor perimeter foundations, patios, decks, garages, doors and windows, and wherever insects are a reoccurring problem. So basically you can use this anytime as a preventative or after you see evidence of the actual insect activity for long-lasting control. But as you know, I'm specifically targeting spiders today, so I definitely have evidence that these guys are getting out of control out here in the workshop. So that's what happens every spring usually. We get at least a small surge of spiders and even ants and stuff like that. So pretty typical for us to always have this on hand to be able to basically use whenever we notice any issues. We even see some roaches from time to time, and whenever we start to see them come back is when we know that it's time for us to start using the Ortho Home Defense again. It's literally as easy as turning this nozzle, making sure that this is pushed in all the way, which it is, and then we can take the actual wand off, snap this into place. And then now, whenever we're ready, this is the little safety lock here. Make sure that when you're ready to use this, you push this up, and then it should be unlocked and ready to go. And then now we can start using this and start spraying whenever I press the actual trigger here on the wand. So let's get some spiders, let's go. So all I need to do is just press gently on the trigger and it starts spraying. That's the nice thing about the battery powered ones. The other ones you have to pump. This one you do not need to pump at all. So I'm just gonna spray in areas where I notice that the spiders are a big issue. So around here. And if you had ants coming in at a certain location, then you would use this to spray where the ants are coming in from the outside ideally. But you can also use this indoors. It does dry completely. Right now you can kind of see it on the floor, but it does dry completely clear, which is something that I was worried about. But yeah, there's so many spiders moving right now, running away from it. As soon as I spray it, they are running away. They're fast. There's one running right there. And as soon as I sprayed it, they start running away. This will take care of it here. I'll come back and show you once we're done actually spraying, and you'll see a lot of spiders that have passed on. But you can go around the entire perimeter, or you can just go for the areas where there are a lot of issues. It takes a long time to actually go through this. This is mostly full, and I've used it several times already. But you can use it indoor, you can use it outdoor, and it's really good around perimeter areas. So right here, for example, there's a spot where down at the bottom of this door, we need to get this replaced, but there's obviously a spot here where they could be coming in. So we can spray those areas around windows, cracks, any areas where you might be noticing these spiders or ants or roaches or anything else getting in. You can use this spray. All right, it's been a couple days and these spiders have definitely seen better times, better days. These are pretty much all spiders that are no longer with us, and we have pretty much eliminated any trace of spider that was in here. And you can see all along here, different beetles, spiders, etc. None of them are moving, none of them are active. The spray definitely made a difference all along here. And so I got to sweep this up and clean it up, but I just wanted to show you what this actually looks like after using the spray. And pretty much all of these spiders were alive a couple days ago when we used this. And so yeah, that's what I experienced when I use this spray, and that's why I keep going back to the Ortho sprays. It definitely gets the job done, and I feel like it adds a longer barrier than many other options out there. Turn the cap here to seal it off, close it up, and then you can put the wand right back here on the actual little latch here on the side of the jug. And then you can store it somewhere where you can come back and use it again in the future. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and whatever you're dealing with, spiders, roaches, ants, I hope that you get it resolved swiftly. Have a good one. See ya.